Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe I've never made before. I found this on the internet, on YouTube, a gal by the name of Jill Mckeever, and she's very fun. She's a nut. You should check her out. She had this recipe for barbecue cabbage sandwiches. It sounded so weird and odd that I thought I have to try it. It looked good, but I'd never even thought of that as a sandwich. So this is her recipe, and she made hers in a griddler or a panini maker, which I don't have. So I'm just gonna do it in a frying pan. So I'm just sauteing some sweet onion, just water saute, and I'm gonna throw in a package of Trader Joe's coleslaw mix. And I had some red cabbage, just plain red cabbage left over, so I'm going to add that as well. So we're just going to saute this down for a couple of minutes, add some barbecue sauce, put it on a toasted bun, and give it a try. So it's a little experiment today, so we'll see how it comes out. Okay, this has been cooking about 3 minutes, and now I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. Start with that much. I think that may be enough. All right, I'm just gonna let this cook another minute in the sauce and then put it on a bun, and we're gonna try it and find out how it tastes. Okay, so we're all done. It kind of looks like a pulled pork sandwich. So I'm gonna give it a try. I need a napkin because I know it's gonna be messy. All right. Wish me luck. All right, not sure I'm gonna do this. You know, it's not bad. I need one more bite to make sure. God, it's very messy, but yummy. Believe it or not, it's really good. I think the key is to leave the cabbage still a little bit crispy. So just cook it for 2 or 3 minutes and just use your favorite barbecue sauce. It's interesting, it's good. I never would have thought to do this. So give it a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.